Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about household chores and cleaning vocabulary. Are you ready? So let's dive right into the lesson. First, I'm going to make the bed. I'm making the bed. Now it's time to do the laundry. Do the laundry. I'm loading the washing machine. I'm loading the washing machine. Now I am unloading the washing machine. I'm hanging the clothes out to dry. I'm hanging the clothes out to dry. Now I'm going to wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. You can also say do the dishes. Do the dishes. I'm washing the dishes. I'm washing the dishes, or I'm doing the dishes. I'm wiping down the counter. I'm wiping down the counter. Okay, now we're going to sweep the floors. Sweep the floors. And for that, we will need a broom and a dustpan. I'm sweeping the floor. I'm sweeping the floor. Now we're going to mop the floor. Mop the floor. So I have a mop here and a bucket filled with water. So I'm just going to mop the floors. I'm mopping the floor. I'm mopping the floor. And last but not least, I'm going to dust the furniture. And for that, I will need a cloth. Cloth. All right, so I take a cloth and I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. Well, I hope you learned something useful today. And now 2 questions for you guys. The first question, how often do you clean your house? How often do you clean your house? And question number 2, what household chores do you absolutely hate doing? All right, I'll be waiting for your comments. See you guys.